Hey guys, welcome to another Warhead using blocks tutorial. Today, we're going to be talking about the menu block. The menu block is very similar to the list block, except the menu block allows you to add predefined lists of information that's been entered using the dashboard CMS. The types of lists you can add include things like categories, brands, and even lists of extra pages. Let's get started. Since the menu block we're going to be adding today is going to include category and brand navigation, we want to go ahead and navigate to any page other than the home page, like the kitchen category. Now, our menu block is going to go on the sidebar here, so the next thing we want to do is select the sector that we're going to add the block to, just like that. And as you've seen, you click Add Block and scroll down the block list until you come across the menu block. Select it. Now, these are the menu block settings. The general settings include things like button text, which can be used to add an expandable list icon similar to what you see on mobile devices. The list type setting sets the list to display horizontally or vertically. The heading type setting sets the heading type that's used. And the levels sets how many list levels will display. We're going to go ahead and adjust some of these settings while we're here, because we know we want our list type to display vertically. We're going to leave the heading type the same, but we're going to go ahead and adjust our levels to 2, and that brings up the expand current items only, which will control which items are expanded when you select a current list item. We're going to go ahead and set that to yes as well. Then we have the menu block group settings. This allows you to select the types of groups of lists that you want to add to your menu block. The first one we're going to pick is categories, since we want a categories list. Then we're going to pick brands, since underneath the categories, we want the brands. You could also do that vice versa if, say, you wanted the brands to display above the categories. The cog settings here allow you to customize the heading text. So we're going to go ahead and enter categories for categories. And we're going to go ahead and enter brands for brands. Makes sense, right? Now that we have our settings all configured, we're going to go ahead and add the menu block. And as you can see, our menu block's been added right here. And it already is utilizing some of the base styles that we've added in previous tutorials. So there's not much styling that we need to do, but we could improve a little bit on some of the styling. For instance, we want our menu items to expand, and we want some other things to happen here too. We're going to go ahead and style our menu block how we want it, but you feel free to style it however you wish. Alright, there we go. We've styled our menu block to match our theme nicely. Now, as you can see, the current list item is bolded, and additional list items expand below the current list items. These are subcategories of the category. And if you click through different categories, you can see it looks very nice. Matches our e-commerce theme perfectly. There you go. You've just seen how easy it is to add predefined lists that have been entered in the admin dashboard CMS using the menu block. Stay tuned for future tutorials where we show you how to use more blocks in Warhead. Thanks for watching.